Timmy the Turtle learns to wait. In a big, green forest filled with tall trees and sparkling streams, lived a little turtle named Timmy. Timmy had a smooth, shiny shell and tiny, wiggly feet. He loved to explore, but there was one thing about Timmy: he was very slow. Every day, Timmy watched his friends zooming all around him. The rabbits hopped fast through the meadows, the squirrels zipped from tree to tree, and the birds swooped high in the bright blue sky. Timmy wished he could be fast like them. One sunny morning, Timmy sat on a flat rock by the riverbank and sighed. "I wish I could run and jump like Benny the bunny," he said, "or climb trees like Sally the squirrel. I want to be fast and strong." Timmy decided that today he would try to be fast. First, Timmy tried to hop like the rabbits. He lifted one foot, then the other, and tried to bounce along. But oh no! He wobbled and tumbled right onto his back. "Oops!" Timmy giggled. "That was silly." Next, Timmy tried to climb a tree. He grabbed the rough bark with his little claws and pulled himself up. Slowly, slowly, he climbed higher and higher. But suddenly, his foot slipped and he slid down with a soft thump. "Maybe climbing trees isn't for me," Timmy said, brushing himself off. Then, Timmy looked up at the blue sky and saw the birds flying high. "I want to fly too," he said. He gathered some big leaves and tied them to sticks to make pretend wings. Timmy flapped and flapped, then jumped off a small rock. But splash! Down he fell, landing in a muddy puddle. Timmy laughed and wiped mud from his face. "Maybe I'm just not fast or strong," he said softly. Just then, his friend Hazel the Hedgehog came waddling by. "Are you okay, Timmy?" Hazel asked. "I'm fine," Timmy said. "But I wish I could be fast like everyone else." Hazel smiled kindly. "You know," she said, "sometimes being slow is a good thing. When you go slowly, you notice wonderful things others might miss." Timmy looked around and saw tiny wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze. He noticed sparkling spider webs hanging like silver jewels between the branches. He heard birds singing sweet songs hidden high in the treetops. Timmy decided to take a slow walk home, enjoying everything he saw. He stopped to watch a family of ducks paddling quietly on the pond. He sniffed the fresh scent of pine trees and soft moss. The warm sunshine made his shell feel cozy and bright. As the sky turned orange and pink with the setting sun, Timmy felt happy. When Timmy reached his home, his friends Benny the bunny and Sally the squirrel were waiting. "Where were you?" Benny asked. "We missed you," said Sally. Timmy smiled and said, "I took my time and saw so many beautiful things. There's so much magic when you go slow." Benny and Sally looked surprised. "Really?" Benny asked. "Like what?" Timmy told them about the rainbow colors in the spider's web, the soft songs of the birds, and how the sunshine made the leaves sparkle like diamonds. Sally nodded and said, "Maybe being slow isn't so bad after all." That night, Timmy curled up in his cozy shell bed, feeling proud. He thought about all the wonderful things he saw on his slow walk home. Timmy knew something very special. Being slow means you get to enjoy the world in your own way. And that made Timmy the happiest turtle in the whole forest.